What's going on, guys? I'm doing the center console today. Actually, I put the light adjusting screws in, new ones, and I just painted what was under there because it was just, I just derusted and painted it with that rust reformer stuff, just to kind of keep any rust down under there. But I built the console bottom. It came out pretty good. And he's giving me carpet over it, but it almost looks like I don't even have to do anything to it if I just painted those screws. But it came out good. I curved the back up nice. That's fine. That's some of my old vinyl floor. It's new, but the vinyl floor I put in. You use a heat gun and you can follow the contours exactly. And I just screwed into, I gotta clip the screws off, see how long they are. So, that came out good, man. Once I put the carpet on it, it'll blend right into the old carpet. I mean, the new carpet. But, if I wanted to, I could leave it like that, but I'm not gonna. It's gotta have carpet on it. But, anyway, that's done. Just gotta do the carpet, and I'm making a shifter boot for that top now. I could buy one, but actually the tops, it's really, shifting boots are really only for, stick shift. But I really don't have any other way to finish it, using this console, so I just got to kind of make something up. So that's what I'm doing now. Cut one out of leather. So, okay, just wanted to update you on my console. Later.